Hello, good morning, and Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Mezie and Happy New Year! This is 1st of January 2025, and guess what? We have White New Year! We didn't have snow during the Xmas this much in my city. The rain just washed everything out. So this New Year, we have White New Year, and I'm so happy. Let me just show you from the other side. You can see it's a White New Year for us. Everywhere is just white, even in my balcony. So we didn't have snow this much during 25th, so it was like it was not a white Christmas for us. So this is a new year for me, and I'm now the landlady of this apartment, because ever since my flatmate moved to another city, I've been the only one occupying the whole of this apartment. And yeah, I'm enjoying landlady. So this morning I just want to carry you along how I spent, or how I will be spending my new year. So I just woke up, although I slept late because I did all night with my church, Winners Chapel. Then because of the time difference, so I woke up very late because of the weather change. So now we do have daylight from 10 a.m. Normally it comes from, at first it started from 8, 9. Now it's from 10, and that's why I could do this vlog, to start this vlog now, because everywhere is bright and clear. So first of all, I'm so hungry and I want to make custard. This is the first time I'm drinking custard in Finland since I came to Finland. So all the while it has been, where did I drop that custard? Okay, in the room. All this while it has been, yes, it's here. So all this while it has been Quaker oat that I've been taking. So I fried akara yesterday, and I want to make custard. Take the akara with the custard this morning. Then after that I will do fried rice and turkey with fish and coleslaw and anything in between. So I will just carry you along in how I'll be spending my 1st of January, and I hope you enjoy it. Let me show you the apartment. I don't know if you have watched my apartment video. I think I will put the link in the description so that you can watch my apartment video. So I'm the only one here today. And I don't know, you see that table, I don't know, whenever I come back from work or come into my house, you see that table, I will just drop it. Let me just go closer. Whenever I come into the house, I will just like keep things on top so that it will be very easy for me. I don't know if I'm the only one doing this. Like when I come back, I just put everything on the table. Then the next day, to be easy for me to take it out. Then when I want to clean the house, I will just clear it and put everything in their place. That table thing, like you come back, you just put everything on the table, and the next day you want to clean, you clear the table and everywhere is clear. So let me know in the comment section if we are in this together, or am I the only one standing on it? Anyways, that's it. But first of all, let's make this custard and eat breakfast before I'll start to cook the fried rice. So food is ready and it's time to eat. Oh boy, only me one go finish this one. Hey, yeah. I don't know what you people call this thing. In Nigeria, we call it Angelino, but here they call it clementine. I mean, climate. How do they call it again? Clementine. So I saw this box the other day. I went for shopping, and this whole box cost 4 point something cents. That's €4 something cents. So I just say €5, and it's really sweet. And I do snack on it when I come back from work late night. So food is ready. So by the time I'm done with this, after this I will just go and do clean up, then start cutting the vegetables for the fried rice. See, let me give you people one secret about akara. Have you tasted akara with gari, like drinking gari? Oh my god, that food is sweet. So most times when I fry akara, I always fry much so that I will have some leftovers. Then the next day I will use it to drink gari. That food is sweet. Like the taste of it alone. Just try it. Try it and come back and tell me. Or if you have tried it, let me know in the comment section. Frugal. It's still hot though. Oh boy, I don't eat hot food that much. So let me finish this food and I'll get back to you guys and show you the next thing I'll be doing after this. All right, see you when I'm done eating. Let me enjoy my meal.
2,000 years later.
Hi everyone, welcome back. After downloading that food, guess what? I slept. I slept. That food enter. Sometimes you just need that break. You just, after eating, you just sleep. Sleep. That kind of food now, eat and sleep. How can you drink full plate of custard, and you will not feel sleepy? Like sleep no go enter your eye, just like you taking pap. There's no way. There's no way. I've not seen it. So I slept off, and now I want to start cooking the rice. I might not show you everything step by step because this is not a food vlog. This is just me showing you how I'm spending my new year. So let me show you. I marinated this chicken last night. Sorry, it's turkey. So this is turkey and chicken. I'm not a fan of turkey meat though. So I'm just removing the fish because I'm not going to boil the fish with the turkey. So I think I'll fry this directly. So while the turkey will be cooking, I'll be preparing the veggies. So this is one way I preserve my bell pepper. This one is the ones I use in cooking 25th Christmas rice that I took to my friend's place. I think by now that video must have been up before this one. So This is it, and this is like 1 week. It's still fresh. Sometimes I have this in the fridge for up to like 3 weeks, depending on how long I'm using it. But I just make sure it doesn't stay up to a month. At most 2 to 3 weeks, and it's still fresh. It comes out fresh. So that's it. So I'll just wash and start cutting this, okay? So my turkey is ready, and I'm frying my fish, and all my veggies are ready. This is my rice and my stock. So start cooking now. So this is it. The fried rice is ready. What do you think? And this is my turkey and fish. It doesn't get cooked. Yay! So now I will quickly mop, and whenever I want to mop, I always start from my room. I'm making sure it's hot water because the weather is cold. I always use chlorine and this universal cleaner for the floor. It smells nice. So I always like to start from my room. Did you see how clean this place is? Now if I go to work tomorrow and come back, you will find something on this table. I don't know why it's always like that. So I just finished cleaning. Now I have to go and take my bath. You can see it's already getting dark. This is just after 3 and it's already getting dark. Once it's 4 o'clock, everywhere is very, very dark. And I think by that time, I will still show you guys what it looks like in Finland when it's after 4. So now let me go and bathe and imagine my room. See the room? You see that table? Very clean now. So the room is clean now. Although I have not made my bed. So let me bathe, and this is how my day has been going so far. 1st of January 2025. So let me go bathe and I'll see you guys later. So welcome back. So I just finished shower. See my forehead. So that's the rice. So I just finished having my bath, and I want to quickly make a coleslaw to eat with this food, so let me do that fast. Throughout today, the song that has been in my mouth is this Natina Bassi new release, Baba, I thank you. Oh. Like that song has just been playing in my head because, let me get this closer, because I knew what I went through last year. Like, last year was a little bit struggle for me, but I saw it like my self-building and family building, and I tried to not want to reflect on the back-to-back hospital appointment I had last year, which I just thank God that for every of the appointment that have been going since that last year, it has been coming out for good. Sometimes we don't wish all these things for ourselves, but we just see it happening to us, and we just have to be strong. So this new year is my year of new beginning, new chapters, blessings, God directions, and testimonies. So tell me in the comment section, how was your 2024 like, and what are you expecting in this 2025? For me, it's my year of new chapter, new beginning. Great things will be happening in my life and in my family. Testimonies, God's direction all through. So let's do our salad. I've been talking too much. I'm not where I want to be yet, but where I am now, I am super grateful. Grateful to God for all the lessons learned last year. So I thank God for everything. So this is the final food, and I'm going to take it with this drink, this malt. I don't know, in Nigeria, after drinking this malt or any bottle drink like this, so we always put it back in the crate and sell it to the company people, or we use it to buy again. But here in Finland, after drinking, we dispose. So it's of no use here. After drinking this, I will just dispose. So let me know in your city what you do with your malt bottle, your malt drink, the empty bottle. Do you throw it away like here in Finland, or you put it back in the crate, and when you want to buy from the company, you use that same bottle to rebuy from the company? In Nigeria, that's what we do. So let's eat. Cheers to us to a new year. I promise showing you guys what it looks like here after 4, how dark this place looks like. Let me quickly show you guys. So this is it. It's dark, but whenever there is snow, the snow makes it to be a little bit bright, but it's really dark. So this is what it looks like after 4 in Finland. So it's really dark. So if you watch up to this extent, thank you very much, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to share this video as well, and see you on the next one. So this is how I spend my new year, and see you on the next one.